Okay, let's have a look. Okay, whiskey 29. Del Delta Mike 7. So we're gonna have to find our D value, which is gonna equal to something. Let's see which one. Which one's the one that will give me the most? Okay, magenta, red, cyan. Okay, magenta, red, cyan. Okay, so let's find our D value first. A, B, C. So whiskey is just 26, 25, 24, 23. So 23 plus 9 plus 2 plus 9 plus A, B, C, D, which is 4 plus 9 plus Mike, which is 13 plus 9 plus 7 plus 85. Okay, what's our flash sequence? So it's white, yellow, blue, red, black, magenta, green, cyan. RGB is all on one side, right? Wait, oh wait, no, not really. I think pretty sure red and cyan are like opposite each other again. Jesus. Okay, so let's calculate our A0, which is third and fourth digits. So 9 delta, so 9 times 36 plus A, B, C, D, so 4 plus 9 plus 4 plus 9, so that's 337. 337. Okay, B0 is the fifth and sixth digits, so Mike 7. So it's 13 plus 9 times 36 and plus 7. So it's 799 minus 365 minus 365. It's 69. Nice. Uh, then third stage will be for first and second digit, so it'll be whiskey 2. So it'll be 26, 25, 24, 23. So 23 plus 9 times 36 plus 2 minus 365 until it's done is 59. Okay, so let's have a look at our A1. Okay, let's cancel all these. Cancel, let's stage 1. Okay. All single colors, so magenta. So magenta will be 3n cubed, so n is 1, so 3 minus 2x, so 2 times 337. So that's negative 671. Then we just plus 365 to that, so it'll be negative 306. Please tab, backspace, thank you. Okay, so now A2 is red, so that's negative 306 plus our D, which is 85, so negative 221. Okay, next is A3, which is cyan, which is 85 minus negative 221 minus 8. Is that 8? Yeah, Fn, so just 3. So that'll be 282. So now going over to our fun little table over here. So what can we find? So 243. So 282 minus 243, that's 39. This is 1. So minus 27. It's 12. I can minus 9 from that. Then you'd be left 3. Okay, easy. So RG. So now let's look at stage 1. So R G B C M Y. Okay. The top right button is yellow. Yes. The red button is diametrically opposite of the cyan button. Yes. The green button is adjacent to the white button. Nope. The magenta button is adjacent to the black button. Yes. The blue and yellow buttons are on the same side. Yes. The red button's on the right side of the module. Red. Yes. The blue button is on the left side of the modulo. Okay, so there's quite a lot of color cycling. So I'm gonna have to do this one by one. Each color is placed to the right. Okay. Okay, so you take R, G, B, C, M, Y. Y. There we go. Wait a minute. Where's... Okay, never mind, whatever. Okay, next, swap each color with its complementary. So R is C. C and R swap. Magenta and green swap. And then yellow and blue swap. Okay, cycle the secondary colors. So C, M, M, Y, Y, and K. Wait, no, sorry, not Y to K. Sorry, I think of C, M, Y, K. So this will you just see. So MYC lah. That's YC. Swap B with the color opposite in the sequence. So opposite in the sequence. So G. So blue will be swapped with U, and then swap R and Y. So R and Y, and then our is plus 0 plus. So let's try this. Magenta red, cyan blue. Nice. Okay, so the third flash would be green, blue, red. Green, blue, red. So we have to do our maths, but we need to remember to cycle everything to the next one. So keep this here because this will never change, right? The current cycle, the colors don't change anymore. So now I need to look at stage 2 on all these. This one don't need yet. Okay. So I need to look at magenta. Again, let me just confirm that I got my number correct here. It's the 5th and 6th digits. So M is the 13th letter of the alphabet, plus 9 times 36, plus 7 minus 365. That's not minus 365. 799 minus 365, minus 365. 69, nice. So first stage. 69 plus negative 221 minus delta, which is 85. Negative 237. Next is red. So negative 237 plus negative 306 plus 4. That's negative 539, so plus 365. That's negative 174. Okay. Cyan is negative 174 plus A1, which is negative 306. Holy crap, we got a lot of negative numbers going in here. Negative 115. Okay, so now this is where the fun begins. Not for me. So we have green, blue, red. So RGB. That is literally 3 primary colors. Okay. So B and minus, so it's just negative 115. Okay, so it's negative 115 modulo 4, so negative 115 modulo 4. That's 1. So it's 1. Right? It's just modulo 4, right? Oh, then times b0, which is 69. So it's just 69. Right, that's a times, right? Then minus a3. A3 is 282. BA minus 1 is just B3 lah. So it's just X lah. Right? Right, yeah. So it'll be equal to negative 328. How confident am I of this answer? Not very. Okay. So I need to convert this to ternary, which is gonna be a pain in the ass. So 328 minus 243. I can do negative 1 here. I can minus 81 as well. It'll be 4. Oh, actually it's not that bad. Oh, okay, wait, it's actually not too bad. So it's just negative, negative, 0, 0, negative, negative. So now it'll be y b g m c r. So now I need to cycle all this to the right. So yellow, blue, R. Okay, I think I cycled it correctly. Hopefully I did. Yeah, this one's the most difficult one. R with C, so C swap with R. M, G, and M. Okay, and then blue and yellow. Okay, cycle the secondary colors, so C to M, M to Y, and then Y to C, and Y to C. Swap B with the color opposite in sequence, so G and blue, like this. And swap red and yellow. So red and yellow are swapped. I think that's it. So now we're gonna input on negative magenta, green, blue, yellow. Oh, oh, it worked. What a pleasant surprise. Yellow. Okay, we are doing nice. That's great. Okay. So this now I need to move to stage 3. And move stage 3. We're looking at 3 primaries again still. Because still RGB, basically. Okay, let's start. So let's start with magenta. So that's 59 minus 2 of 337. The numbers are very negative in this one. So negative 215 here. Next would be red. So that'll be negative 250 plus negative 237 minus negative 306. So negative 181. Okay. Next is cyan, which is negative 181 minus negative 174 plus negative 221. So it's negative 228. Cyan, oh, no, cyan 4. Okay, so next one is this one. So Ca plus 1 plus, so, okay, so it's basically negative 228 plus negative 228 modulo 3. Negative 228 modulo 3. Modulo 3, that's 0. Okay, so that's nothing. Minus bn minus 1. So that's negative 115 modulo 3. Negative 115 modulo 3. That's 2 times B0 69. Then plus 282 modulo 3. That's 0, so that's nothing. Okay. So that will get me negative 366, which actually turns into, because you have 365, it actually becomes negative 1. Wow. And then the last step is yellow, which is negative 1 plus negative 328 minus 337. Holy moly. Plus 365. That will be negative 301. So now we're gonna do our ternary. So let's say 243. So that's just like 301, 243. So that's negative 1, 0. Okay, minus 27. That's not what I want. It will be minus 2. That'll be 0. That'll be 4. So that'll be 0 and then negative 1. 0, negative 1, negative 1. So if I'm not wrong, right? Wait ah. I think it's like this. 43 minus 81 plus 27. Wait, okay, minus 243 minus 81 plus 27 minus 3 minus 1. Yep, okay, I got it. So just the other way around. So now it's negative, negative, 0, positive, negative, negative. So now we are in the last stage where it's blue, magenta, red, red, yellow, green, cyan. So again, we're gonna have to cycle these to the right. So let's see. Okay, R and C swap. Then G and M swap, and then blue and yellow swap. And then C moves to M. M goes to Y. Y goes to C. I don't know why formatting just messed up there, but okay. Swap B with the color opposite in the sequence, so blue and cyan swap, and then red and yellow swap. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see if I first try this. Yellow, blue, magenta, cyan, red. Poggers!